Welcome to the How to Add, Edit and Customize Text tutorial. Today you'll learn how to add, edit and customize text on your website. The topics covered in today's tutorial are 1. Introduction to the text editor widget, 2. How to use the text editor widget, and 3. How to style text. Topic 1. Introduction to the text editor widget. The text editor widget allows you to enter in paragraph or sentence type content on your page. It can be edited through the Elementor editor panel or directly on the page. Topic 2. How to use the text editor widget. To get started using the text widget, open the page you'd like to edit via the Elementor editor. On the left side where the Elementor editor panel is, search for the text editor widget. Drag and drop the widget into the section that you'd like it to appear on. You will now see that the Edit Text Editor panel has appeared on the Elementor Editor panel. Here, you can customize the content, style the text, and set advanced settings for the widget. You can enter in the text either in the Edit Text Editor panel or directly on the page where you drag the widget by right-clicking it. Topic 3. How to style text. To style the text from the text editor widget, select the Style tab from within the Edit Text Editor panel. Here, you can change the text alignment, color, typography, and shadow. Change the settings to your liking and see the changes reflect on the page. Click on Update to save these changes. You've now learned how to use the text editor widget.